Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we have something that every crafter and DIY enthusiast will love, the Mathtoxyz small bead organizers, which we believe are the best bead storage boxes out there. Whether you're a jewelry maker, an artist, or someone who just loves to keep things organized, these storage boxes will meet all your needs. Let's get into why this product should be your go-to storage solution. First off, let's talk about the design. These organizers come in a set of 15 pieces, with one large outer box and 14 small inner boxes. The outer box measures 6.5 inches long, 4.7 inches wide, and 2.36 inches high, making it compact enough to fit on any shelf or work table. The smaller boxes are perfectly sized at 2.16 by 2.16 inches, and they're just the right depth for organizing small items like beads, rings, and other tiny accessories. And since they're transparent, you'll have no trouble spotting what you need without having to open each box. One of the standout features of these organizers is the hinged lid. Each box has a secure lid that prevents your contents from spilling out. Whether you're transporting your items or simply storing them, the lids keep everything in place and free from dust. Plus, these boxes are made from high-quality, durable plastic that is shatterproof, meaning they're built to last and won't easily break if dropped. These bead organizers are incredibly versatile. They are perfect for storing not just beads, but also small accessories, fishing tackle, hardware like screws and nails, or even medications and vitamins. If you're into diamond painting, this storage box will keep all your little diamonds neatly arranged. You can even use them for art and craft supplies or as a general organizer for your office desk. The possibilities are endless. Additionally, if you like to personalize your storage, the clear surface of the boxes makes them an ideal canvas for stickers or labels. So you can easily customize them to suit your organizational needs. This adds a fun, creative touch while keeping everything neatly sorted. Lastly, the material of the boxes is eco-friendly and non-toxic, which is always a plus when choosing storage for your supplies. They're lightweight, portable, and perfect for organizing your life, whether at home, at work, or on the go. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and efficient way to organize your small items, the Mathtoxyz small bead organizers are the way to go. Their transparent design, secure lids, and stackable nature make them the perfect storage solution for anyone who loves to keep things neat and accessible. Be sure to check them out today, and stay tuned for more product critiques right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.